Chilitos co-owner Christopher Box says his team had to adapt to the changes imposed on the food service sector due to the COVID-19 pandemic.
In accordance with the government mandate, we've locked off our dining room, so we no longer have guests coming in and dining in the restaurant at all. We've packed up all our tables and chairs, so that was the first major change that we did. Then we realized that the people still wanted our food, and then we tried to innovate to see how best we could get the food to them. So we did actually a big pivot towards delivery. We had in I think the first week of the government announcements, we had an exclusive partnership with 7 Crave where we offered free delivery to all customers that ordered over 2,500. That was very successful. We're very happy that 7 Crave believes in us to sign on. And then since then, the demand has been so good that we have decided to do our own in-house delivery. So now we have, I think, 2 bikes on the road, sometimes 3. Depending on the day. We've also shifted up our entire operation to make it much more streamlined when you come in. Now that we have the space in the dining room without, the tables and chairs, we have separate lines for walk-up orders, pick-up orders, and delivery. And possibly the biggest change is that we've embraced technology. So we've launched our website, ChilitosJamexican.com, and we've launched online ordering.
There's also been changes to staff hygiene and uniform.
I mean, the health and safety of the team was a big concern. I mean, especially in the early days when you really didn't know, the information was changing every day about the do's and the don'ts, hand washing versus sanitizing versus should you wear a mask, should you not wear a mask. So as the information came out, we've adapted as such. So the first thing that we did was that we, luckily one of my directors was a bit of a hypochondriac, so we had stocked up on hand sanitizer and lots of cleaning chemicals from before the government announced that the first case was here. So we had a very strict cleaning and sanitation schedule, surfaces being wiped off, employees being mandated to wash their hands every 20 minutes, etc. Then, as the mandate started to change to encourage mask wearing, from actually before the government mandated it, we had gotten the surgical masks. However, we decided that just wasn't feasible to change a new mask every day. They're not cheap, especially in these times. And then also, we don't want to leave those for the medical professionals. We pivoted towards the reusable mask. So actually, a team member here, I think it's her cousin that made them for the entire team, and we purchased them from her. So the team just washes them every day and reuses them.
So the dining experience is out. Still, you can take advantage of the specials and the signature margaritas.
We actually have been launching a couple specials during this time. We did a very successful fried chicken taco, which was great. Then we pivoted to, for Cinco de Mayo week, which was last week, we had a couple specials. We did a cassava crusted shrimp taco, which was very good. We had it for the whole week. And then we did a Barbie fried burrito on Friday. We've also launched 2 signature new margarita flavors. We've done sorrel, which was a favorite in Christmas. And we did tamarind, which is a brand new flavor using local tamarind. It's very, very, very good. It's probably the flavor that I'm the most proud of that we offer. It's still currently available now while stocks last.
Yummy! Additions to the menu and service, it's a win-win for everyone. As the saying goes, there's opportunity in chaos. That's what Mr. Box says. We asked him for his advice to other entrepreneurs.
Take a deep breath. It's happening to everybody, and it will pass, and it will get better. On the other hand, in terms of actionable innovations for your business, everyone is going through the same thing as you, and that's a good thing and a bad thing. So everybody's going to innovate and try the same tactics. So I think that use the knowledge of previous crises that you have to see how you've innovated in the past, and use the strengths of your business, what you know that you have to play on in this time. So if it is that you need to work on getting your product out quicker so that customers don't have the wait time, then that's what you focus on. But I would say identify the strengths that you had in the past and see how best they can help you now. Take a deep breath. take things hour by the hour. Really, the information comes in so quickly. Sometimes you feel like you don't have a chance to adapt. However, you'll be surprised what you can accomplish in a very limited period of time. The last piece of advice that I would give all the entrepreneurs out there is this is a crisis and it comes with immense suffering and it's awful. However, there's always opportunity in the crisis. So try and identify what those are in your business and use them.
That's it for this week's episode of Culinary Trails. See you next time.